I'm Elliot, the Doge is clean. Welcome to Ziptied. I'm also very wet. Right now we're just getting ready to actually go to the car wash, day of reckoning. But right now we gotta bring it back in time for a little bit of our first try. It was a failure. So last night I got busy with the plasma cutter, and I may have gotten another sign from Mexico. Road closed sign, hood scoop. It's gonna go right there. This is one night of rain.
Alright, so the engine sits way too tall in the engine bay, and there's this little piece of metal down here that it's resting on. So we're going to cut it out and make it go down lower, and then use the stock brackets and bolt it in place, and we're going to put the hood on with our brand new hood scoop, and it's going to be sick. Okay, so there's ATF lines, the transmission cooler lines that go right there, and we're going to be cutting out that with a acetylene torch, and it's going to be very hot and flamey. So ATF's very flammable, so we're going to take 2 pieces of aluminum foil, and we're going to go like this. That's not what I was thinking, but that works. Most race car thing we've done to this car so far.
Since you've last seen us, we threw on a bunch of different parts, got the radiator actually mounted, there's a fan on it, we mounted the battery, and it was too dead, so now we're jump starting the car.
He said it's very low.
We made it all of, I don't know, 20 feet. We ran out of gas and then the battery died. So we had to jump it. We already threw a bunch of fuel in there, spilled half of it. So yeah, we're jumping it.
This is not easy. I have to shift and fill and steer, and look how much is leaking gas, which is a decent amount. Alright, so our options, Express, Plus, and the Works. What are we doing, Elliot? The Works? Hell yeah.
The instructions are to lower antenna or radio. We don't have that. Oh, we're good. This is the only rule we break.
Which one? Rule number 2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For once, we followed through on a promise we've made. I mean, like, look at our history. The NOS is still over there. We're not putting that in for now. There's barely an engine in it. There's no roll cage. It's hardly race car except for this thingy here. But we actually have a really nice driveline now. It's also quite heavy. Driveline's northwest. We got the name a little bit backwards, but it's brand new. It looks good, and it does fit perfectly, amazingly. Door's locked. Alright, so since like the last video, I've done some stuff because it's a pain in the butt to film, but added a clutch pedal. It's actually pretty mint. Got some grip tape on the pedal, so it looks all good. I had to cut it in half a bunch of times to make it fit because it's out of a Jeep. So it's pretty ugly, but it works. It's strong. I hit it against the table a couple times. It's good enough for me. Yeah, it's pretty good. Once in a lifetime, we're actually doing something kind of right on the Dodge. We've gotten all the essentials that we need to make it kind of run right. So we got full oil change, synthetic, still O'Reilly brand. Oil filter, so I broke the last one. Brand new plugs, the ones we have in there are kind of crap. New belt so it doesn't self-disintegrate. Some motor oil to clean out the transmission because it's all gross. And bolts and stuff that we need. Right now we're more as street legal as we're gonna get for right now. We got actually 4 sets of mirrors, shockingly. We have headlights not DOT legal. We got brake lights not DOT legal, or running lights depending on which one. Still controlled by the passenger. Got the charging system all good. The clutch was really scary, but it ended up working.
Well, we
for
don't
now.
know that
We don't
yet.
know it's still working, but we're gonna go out and try it. It's dark o'clock, and I think it's time to wake up the neighborhood because still half the exhaust is cut off. I think we're ready to go.
How do I not shock myself to death?
Just make sure the battery stays in its spot on the floor. That's it. That's all you need to do.
Okay.
The wires aren't super ghetto. They're just fairly ghetto.
Please don't kill me. Did it go into third?
Yeah, oh my god.
Elliot, goddamn. Don't leave me die.
It's so scary. Right, check the status of the smoke.
It's pretty bad. Look at all that smoke.
Dude, there's so much smoke. It smells so bad.
The light makes it look like there's a fire down there, but I really hope there's not. What's that?
The exhaust scraping on the ground.
Oh, you have the light turned on every time.
Why we didn't bring a fire extinguisher, I don't know. Whew. Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
So it's not that bad.
No, it's not a fire, but it's not ideal.
Could be worse. It's probably a lot of other things too.
Yeah, it's not on fire. That's all I'm happy about. Right now, I'm putting brake lights in the thing. Caleb's changing the battery to the battery out of the Porsche, so it'll actually start. Who's that? Kyle's taking off the Honda banner on the window. And we're just getting it ready to go through a car wash.
It worked.
I'm so much wetter and dirtier than I was before I went in.
You said kind of dry. Oh.
You're wet.
Wet on the
Dude, there's
opposite
dirt
side.
all over. Destroyed the light. It just broke off the back.
It actually looks kind of clean.
Dude, there's like a tornado in there.
It's actually clean. Look at it. I've never seen it like
Good,
this.
yeah. See that guy came over? Very, very bad news. Hula girl is down. Everyone just saw her dance. She did it great. But now, we're just gonna do a Viking burial. It's the best send out we can think of. We're all taking it very seriously. So there's been a very big tragedy happening in the world of the Doge. The hula girl that was sitting on the back broke off. Her feet broke off. All she wanted to do was
How do we
hula
show her
for the
feet?
world.
Those broken feet.
But she can't hula anymore. We're doing a Viking burial for her.
What's a Viking burial?
It's where you put someone dead on a boat and then burn it and set it up to sail.
And we're gonna do that.
Here in Tacoma where there's a burn ban. Yeah, this is gonna go. Salute us. You've done well.
Hi there.